It's so easy to become a podcaster with Riverside. First, go to Riverside and open an account. When you
Good morning. We're here at 10 after 9. Some bulls came in bears came in very strong. 158 contracts at the resistance area where they've tried 1, 2, 3 times. They came in really strong with 158 contracts. So now we watch. If we get above the 28.015, there's a possibility that we're going to go for London High, maybe even point of control. Bears stay in control. We'll revisit down here in the support area. Let's let this pan out for a second or two. Have ourselves a sip of coffee. Put a welcome in chat. We have a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute green on the bull. We have a C grade on the bull. So it's not the best. That's why we're kind of waiting a little bit for confirmation. This was a support, broke support. Now we're seeing if it's going to be support again. This is our current support and resistance. Five-minute chart showing more of a stronger bull channel, or setup I should say. And as you can see on the 5-minute, does it look stronger? Certainly does. Here's where those bulls came in. Here's where bulls came in previously at 28,000. And they did that yesterday too, at 28,000. Where is it? Boom. 28,000 they came in as well. So it's a big number. Big number. Get below these two, there's going to be problems. Get above these two, you might have some fun to the upside. Back to the 1 minute. Hello, Richard. Hope all was well with you. I was just chit-chatting about having a 1 minute bull sign, 5 minute bull sign, 15 minute bull sign, 5 minutes stronger than the first minute and 15 minute. Our radar down here saying C+, set up for a bull setup. C+ not being the best, but it is going to the bull side at this point. Obviously not in this one candle, but you might need to come down into this old resistance support level and resistance level. Previously it's been up and down that level. So we'll just see what it does. Or you could say C+, got green up here, just put a contract on, see what happens. Like
Order filled.
Say, I'll take a couple of bucks. Why not? Give me $105.
Target filled.
See? Easy as that. This is a good sign. Bulls are getting aggressive. Above here we're gonna see maybe some fireworks. Maybe he wants to London High. Richard, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm kind of talking a little low. Here we go, the testing, the 28015. Test. Is this microphone on? Alright, good. Not trying to be super loud in my house at the moment. Are you trading today, Richard? Yeah. What is it? I forget. Quad. ISMO, PPO, GGO, DDO, blah blah blah. I think, what is it, 1 o'clock? Time to put the YOLO on your Apex accounts or evals and say either they pass or they don't.
Somewhere out there is a Chevy truck, and the person who drives it, well, that's a Chevy person.
Very cool. Live account. Be careful. Little wins. Little wins.
First to rise, last to leave.
And sometimes those little wins, they just keep rolling for you, so that'd be kind of cool. In the money, in the money, in the money, in the money, in the money. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
Visit Chevy.com/trucks to explore the lineup.
Jesus is with us. Dun, 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 dun. Is that blasphemy? I don't think so. sideways action here. At 9:22. Enjoy that coffee, Richard. Back. Whoa. Looks like it's setting up for the next 5 minutes when New York market opens. So get us down to value area low. To do what? Maybe take out London high, which it tried to do, barely touched, around 4:30 a.m. But it did it in the overnight already. So London high was touched and taken out. Asia high also had a high. London. Are we going upside? Take out a lot of stops here? What's your thoughts? Oh, rate decision is tomorrow. This all changed on a dime. 1 minute went to a bearish scenario. So we got a mix. 5 minute strong bull, 15 minute weak bull, 30-minute wheat bear. So we got a mixed bag here. Okay, let's see how it plays out. Got 3 minutes. The fun part about this type of setup, the layout I use and indicators, we know targets: New York lows, value area low, London high, point of control, value area high, Asia high. So they're all written for us. We don't have to do any of it. And then of course we have the candlesticks that will show us the channel we're in. So for argument's sake, dark green was neutral after coming off a bear. Pull it up. We do a little bear action, but then it went neutral. Then it went green, which is our bullish. But even better, once it clapped this resistance area, it went bright green. So anywhere in here, maybe a change of structure you felt comfortable with, everything over here went green, you take a long. And then when you went into a bright green area, you kind of knew you were in the right side of trade, and the color blocking all of this was green. Yes, it can come back down on you. You could get out at the high and get back in, or you could just wait for it all the way through. And you see one of these bubbles come, and you know that the bears are trying to step in pretty aggressively. Or when it goes back to neutral, you say, nope, I'm out. Same thing on the bear side. You don't have a good example right here yet, but we do have examples, all day yesterday. Like right here. Didn't know what it wants to do, go a little sideways. We get our red bear candles. Starts out this big red block here. But eventually, even better, once you get your red bear candles, the bears start going crazy, and there's more volume in cells, and it goes pink. Red to pink, stuff starts to really sink. You can get out at the bottom, maybe wait for the retest, see if you can still go, but then get out, up to you, because we know things don't go on forever. But that's the type of setup that I have here. So as long as you're following the color blocks and the candles and using your head, you should be okay. Use the radar to tell you if it's an A, B setup, C setup, so you know what's going on. And then you use this. This is multi-time frames. If they're in alignment, good chances are it's going to continue in that type of direction. But nothing is perfect, so you have to use your common sense as well. Hope that all makes sense. And here we go. I'm not a big opening trader. Not a fan. Whips too much. Like to let it settle down.
Did you get the minions over?
Well, you know how we talked about getting Wi-Fi from the spinning?
Yeah.
I ordered it this morning. It was online in minutes. Then they showed up.
And now we have commercial. We don't want commercials.
Get online in minutes with same-day Wi-Fi from Xfinity. Plus, lock in your price for 5 years and see Minions and Monsters only in theaters. Xfinity, imagine that. Restrictions apply. Not available in all areas.
to try to get up to our London low again. Are we going to protect London low? Asia low, which is very close. Asia and London. Couple of imbalances already. Here and here. Bears in control from 28.015 with imbalances. Will it rip back and try to get those imbalances before it continues lower? We will see. Already rejecting value low and point of control, but it's very early in the session. They are dynamic, they will move. I don't know. 5 minute, 15 minute neutral up here. The 1 minute is a weak bear. Don't like it. Might be setting the just an IB low for right now. Bear's getting upgraded on the 5 minute. Got upgraded on the radar to a B+. We might want London low. Good rejection at point of control. If it rejects point of control again, it might be a good setting of a new low. Doesn't look like it wants to do it. Looks like it wants to go for some of these imbalances. Still rejecting for now. Oh, imbalance. Let's go. Pink candle, that's a good sign. Strong bear on the 1 minute, 5 minute. Now we're in an A setup. Alright, let's take the short.
Order filled. Target filled.
Boom. 425, I think it was, with 1 mini. All I saw was, to do this, all I saw was this here. A grade, bear. And the other part was, I'll show you this too. Nope. I have to go use my elliptical. Where are you? Here it is. So I saw this whole thing. Strong bear, weak bear. 30 minute was weak bear. And then the third part, so people talk of always confluences. The confluence was, yes, we had red candles, but we started getting the pink candles, which means a stronger bear reaction. So even though I took the trade, I think when it was a green candle, we had all these confluences with the red background. So you had the red block background, you had these here, and you had this upgraded to an A. So I took the short right about here, I think maybe right about here, and we made a new low, and it was a quick $450 with one mini, which I could have stayed in it and kept going, pull myself into profit or something like that, but we would be buying the lows, and I'm not a fan of staying in it at the lows and at the open, because it can just ripsaw right back up. So I took my 400. We started the day, I think, 780. Took two trades. One was like 150. Next one was like 425, I believe it was. Yeah, and it's sim. I'm just demonstrating. I could have taken it on my eval, but I'm just doing this new streaming, and I'm showing how everything works. There's always a trade. There's always a trade tomorrow. There's always a trade the next day, right? You can always pass or fail your evals down the road. Right, Richard? Tell everybody. Say yes. You still with me, Richard? Richard's in a trade. Good luck, sir. This looks like a good pop to short soon. I'd like it to come up to value low and reject. Or even get past Asia or London low and reject. Come on, you can do it. We got pink candles. Gives a big fat push. There we go. Go, go, go. Could have been my entry. I think I missed it. Try. Let's go. No, don't want to give it to me. Let's try a small one then. If it's not gonna get me back up to next push. Let's go. Come on. Oh, look at you, Richard. 713 in the trade eval. Love it. 31 in live. You resurrected that live account. Here's something you should never do. Sell the exact low.
Order filled.
You should never, never, never do that. But when you do
Target
it,
filled.
just grab your couple of bucks. That was just for entertainment purposes. But with that being said, again, 1 minute strong bear. So our 1 minute chart is very strong in the bear world. 5 minute is not as strong, but is still bear world. 15 minute is just doesn't want to play in bear world or bull world. It's making its mind up. And just to show you that, 15 minute neutral, right up here, 15 minute neutral. All you gotta do is go to your 15-minute chart. Most people have to go to their 15-minute chart. We don't have to, because we have, or I have, this setup. What does that tell you? Just hanging out. First 15-minute candle is just like, I'm here, I don't know what to do. I can bounce 50% up. I can go 50% more down. It doesn't know what it wants to do. 30-minute weak bear. Let's see, we can go over to the 30-minute. And, you know, it certainly says 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. All of these are 30-minute candles, and that's where you had your bears come in with that bubble at 28.015. So, yes. It's saying, yeah, we're definitely a bear. We're in the bear world here, okay? 60-minute strong bear, if we go there. What does that tell you? I don't see no green candles. And previously, what are these? Pink, 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 which we say is the strongest, right? And there's bears at 28,000, and they came back in at 28,015, and we're below them. It's just telling you we're going down, right? That's why our 60-minute is such a strong bear channel. Look at this, the 1 minute got upgraded to strong bear as well. So we go back to trade our 1 minute. Zip. Here's our 1 minute. Wow, go off the charts for a hot second. This is what happens. It's a lot of stuff. So we're upgraded again to the A+. A+ downside. Strong bear for 1 in 5 minutes. Crazy, right? So while you're in this, let's say you didn't catch the first drop, you can wait till it bounces. Right here they come in again really hard. This could be 120 contracts at the lows. This is where they can get themselves stuck, and we can get some relief back up, maybe to mid-session, or it just still bleeds, right? Because of the radar at A+, and this up here. So if you get a good rejection, it looks like it might bleed then. What to do? My thought is wait for it to hit up about here. Somewhere in here. If all this stays the same, let it try, and then go down. Down for today. Down, you're up on your live, Richard, and what, the eval's down? Now, she be bleeding. She's a bleeding, but they're buying at the lows. 120 contracts, 105 contracts. Bears are being very aggressive at these lows. We get above them, we start seeing relief. Just don't know how much. But we still have all this in our favor to go more down. But the relief up to go down would even be better. They're going to test. We're testing 27,700, which they did. And they're getting rejected on a wick right here for now. 27,700, not coming, not coming. We're going to close above it. 27,700, going once. 27,700, going twice. We're at 704, 706, 707. Are we going to close? We're at 18, 19, 20. Relief looks like it might be coming. Close this candle. Show us that you want to stay there. Show us that you want to stay there. Now here's where you make your decision. This all tells you bear. This tells you bear. But even during bear times, we do need relief to go lower. So do you take a quick relief long, say up to value? Let's try it. We could do it.
Order filled.
Right up to value. Go to value. We don't care if you reject value. We just want you to see if you can do it to go back down. Come on. Come on. I don't think she's going to make it.
Stop filled.
So she stopped us out. So our radar and everything is kind of saying you should have stayed on that bear side, or the relief can still come. I bet you it's still there. It is. Just got stomped out too early. Let's go again.
Order filled.
I'm going 2 contracts.
Target filled.
Boom, got my money back and then some. But I don't believe in the the long right now. Could have stayed, could have, trailed a little bit, but you can see how these wicks are coming down real quick, right? Look at that. I was just in and out for a quick relief. Everything over here is telling you bear. Bear, 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 bear. Bear, 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 bear. This red. Bear, 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 bear. Okay? So, you could always play counter trend just for a quick scalp. That's cool. Good, Richard. 192.70 in the live. I remember you saying that thing was down low and it was hardly tradable. You did good. You can grab micros now, right? Almost 4 micros if you ever want to. Just build it up. And the eval. You got 713 on the eval just today. That's a nice eval day. I like that. And I know you use micros a lot of the time, so that's some good trading, brother. cool. Very, very, very cool. A mini on the eval and 1 or 2 micros on live. I like it. I like it. What do you think about the the layout and the how this all works? If you got in on one of these pink bars and then just put your stop above the pink bar for the short, would have been good stuff. I was down 156 on the live at one. Oh, wow, you came back. Very cool. You hung tough. Thank you, sir. I think it's helpful, for sure. And even the possible trapped sellers is helpful. I like that. 700, 27,670, 27,700. So if the bulls can say no more, we need relief, or they just bleed. I'm giving away an Apex account today. All I need is 1 like and chat. What do you got, Richard? Use code LIT, L-I-T. Daily saying, no thank you. We'll see you after summer on the upside. Lord. I'm gonna breach the bottom. Do the breach, do the breach. Says new. I want to test point of control. Come on, test it. Test it again. We're gonna try point of control. Let's go. Try it. Try it. They'll slam you right down. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can do it. No. Bears just say, nah, we don't want you up there even to test it. That's not bad. Dun, dun, dun. Breach. 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 Will the bulls show up? I don't think so. They're gonna come and get slammed. Wow, they cannot get above the 700. 670. They're trying. There's this. Test the 700. Test it. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Give us a wick. Or will they look for the relief? No, there's the wick. There's the 700. 700. You gotta get above this guy right here. Alright, you're above. Can you hold it? Close this candle out, make another candle above, and then you're looking for relief back up to this support area. Or resistance, I should say. Get a little bit of relief. No, come on. You're still over the 700. Alright. I would say swipe 700 and continue up. Swipe. Here's your swipe. Here's your swipe. Swipe, swipe, swipe. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? So far, so good. Alright. You're holding it. You're absorbing, you're holding. Let's see what your next candle wants you to do. Having a little trouble though. You're having some trouble. Holding point of control. Alright.
Order filled.
I see some goodness there. Let's go.
Target filled.
Thank you. That's how we do it. See that one, Richard? Where'd my chat go? My chat got. Thank you, sir. Well thought out and expressed, I thought. Wasn't staying for the long term on that. chat back over here. There we go. So I can go like that. Yeah, if I could trade like this on my evals and my fundeds, whoop whoop. But maybe one day I could do that. Couldn't do it without my support. My #1 fan. You know who that is. That's this guy right here. Aw, Crawford. #1 fan. Can I give you like a, let's give R. Crawford some hearts and some happy faces and some streamers and 100%. What? No, we didn't want that. Remove. I know. If I it's funny. All day yesterday, I think you were with me yesterday. I ended the day at 8,000, and I wasn't taking like 3 and 4 and 5 minis. I was taking 1 mini. If I'd get myself into trouble a little bit, I would double down with a second mini, just to either break even or make, say $200 when I was targeting 600, right? Just to get out of a trade. But I only did that like twice. Other than that, it was always 1 mini, and I was just following the radar system on the bottom left. I was following the 1, 5, 15, and 30 minute chart up on the right. If it's weak bears, strong bears. Yeah, it gives you confidence. It gives you confidence. That's the thing. And I think you start seeing things like, bear exhaustion at the bottom. Okay, so you could take a relief for a few points and don't get greedy, You saw the last one. I was in the trade for literally 4 seconds. It's like in and out, $300 or whatever it was. $500 was the other one. Yeah, I don't know. She's working. She's working. But the funny part is, as well as I do, I'm just being honest, is I start putting my Apex accounts or my live account, and I start doing this, is it going to be the same thing? So only time will tell. I mean, I would, that's probably like a little bit of a dream of mine, is not only for me to be a good trader and make the money and get the payouts and blah, 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 and all that, but to have a following of people to chit chat and talk to, and if there's something I can help with, I would love to help people. I did that with my my previous job at the store I had. I helped people with, pain, anxiety, and all that. I love talking to them and giving them the insight of those things. And so now I want to do it in trading world. And again, I'm not the best trader. Don't claim to be. But if there's a small little edge that I can help somebody see something with, that'll help them and make them just a little bit better and have a successful path forward, then that'd be a home run. And you've done that for me, Richard. Before we met, I was blind. I was, I would think I know something, and then I had no one to bounce it off of. But when we met you, we would be able to bounce things off each other and feel the same feelings and do the same things, and whether they were successes or failures or whatever, but we supported each other. And that's what I'd like to do for many, many people. Here's the rejection, but it's neutral candle. Uh-oh. Neutral to red to pink again, and then a flush maybe. Wowzers. Getting a little exhausted. 1 minute is neutral. Radar is down to a B+. Still isn't bad. Just, it's not A anymore. We could see relief soon. It tried once, but rejected New York VWAP. I should probably put that on my my chart. Where was the VWAP at what number, Richard? I don't. I could put it there. Let's see. Oh, actually on NinjaTrader, I don't have the New York VWAP. I forgot how to put the New York VWAP on there. I had it on TradingView, where I could put the New York VWAP on there. $27,779. So right about there. That was a big rejection. Wonder if it'll try to check it again. It was a rejection from New York VWAP to even rejected through point of control. Huh. So, if anything, it'll try to touch point of control again and get rejected. If it tries New York VWAP, that would be kind of incredible if it did that. Because then it's got to blow through point of control, then New York VWAP. Then if it bases over New York VWAP, that'd be now we're cooking with fire for an upside move. If that happens. Radar is upgraded from B to A on the bear cell down here. I mean, theoretically, A upgrade, 5 minute strong bear. I mean, sell a pop. I mean, that's what it's telling me. Sell a pop. Can you pop up a little higher, maybe? No, she don't want to. Still rejecting point of control. Yeah, she wants lower. Radar says A. Everything. All time frames are saying lower. I'd like it to pop back up before I grab a short. Come on. Little more, little more. Pop, pop, pop. Ugh, you gonna go without me? Don't trust the double bottom. Hello?
Hey man,
Hello. You're on speak.
go in.
You're on
Do what?
speaker. Are you okay with being on speaker?
Yeah,
Okay.
go into your drawing tools,
Yeah.
and you go down to Order Flow Volume V1,
Okay.
and then you can just click that on your opening bar.
Oh, okay.
Now, I don't like all of those different levels that it has. So if you don't like those, you can go into properties. It won't look good on your chart if you leave it like that.
Oh,
And then
jeez.
you can
It's a big
you can
old.
turn
Yeah, it's a big old clouds and shit.
you can turn all those off, those clouds, and it'll just be the one line.
Let's see. What's that? Select a drawing marker. Just put it transparent.
Yeah, or that, or just hit the. I think there's a button that you can click that. Oh shit! I put it on, but I already have it on my chart. So, well, damn, messed up my whole chart. Yeah, you got 3 standard deviations. Just click that down to put none, and hit apply, and it takes all of those deviations off.
Right. Deviation.
Or it does.
Trying to find it.
In your properties, it should be under parameters. Standard deviations bands, you want to put none.
Yeah, I'm finding it hard. I don't know if it's. I don't know. I don't know what it's actually opening.
But I can start in front of that I can watch.
It looks.
Yeah.
It looks like it's opening my IB,
Yes,
which is a
you
pain in the ass.
you gotta get the actual. Click on those buttons, those little white things out there to go to your right. Oh, you clicked off of it.
These.
Yeah, you see those. When you click on it, you'll have those little white dots out there to your right.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's your right. You're looking. Oh, go further to your right. Keep going. Those little white dots. Is that it? Click on those white dots.
Is this the one?
Or you right click on it and hit properties.
Okay.
Well, that's what I did.
I think I just did. Yeah, visible.
Okay.
I want to just see quick visible. Yes, I'm on the right one because the visible just turned it off. All right, so
Yeah, you see
I'm on the
where it
right
says
one.
parameters down there. And you go down to where it says 3 and drop down box. Under standard deviation bands, no, down. No, not that one. You want to leave that on. Click check. Go. It says standard deviations. Go up.
To which one? 1, 2, or 3? Oh,
Where it
all
says
of them.
The letter. It's written out 3. No, keep going down.
Gotcha.
You're going the wrong way. No, go up.
Yeah,
No, go up.
I did, and we're just 6 seconds behind or something.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, so do none?
Yeah, click the drop down box and hit none.
Okay,
Where it says
yeah.
right there.
got it.
Hit none.
So now the red line is just the New York VWAP.
Yes, and you can change the color of that line if you want to.
Yeah.
And then if you save that as your default, you won't have to go in there and change it every day.
Right.
You'll just, whenever you click on there, it automatically put that on.
Okay. Let's see, I'll make it green. Line green. I'll just make a template.
You can do that, but then you'll have to go in and select the template when you put it on.
So you would just hit apply right now?
Yes.
and then just save my workspace, and my workspace will always have it on.
Yeah, save it in your. No, that's an Anchor VWAP. You got to click it on every day.
Oh, okay.
It's a drawing tool. You'll have to add it every morning at 8:30.
Gotcha. All right. Yeah, it's a good rejection. For sure.
Yeah. And looking at your charts here, I don't have mine. It came up and almost hit it a couple of other times.
What, the VWAP?
Yeah, like at 9:50 to 9:55.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Whenever the bars are below VWAP is typically when you got the red and pink. You see how it started touching the VWAP and started going green and gray, but it couldn't go above it. Once it starts going above it, you'll start seeing the green, gray, and lime green. Wow.
Yeah, it looks like it's starting to break lower again too.
Yeah. It's very snaily. It doesn't know what it wants to do today. It's probably gonna find relief at some point, but could be a bleed day.
Well, with tomorrow being the Fed Funds Day, it'll this afternoon it'll probably go into a real rotation, and
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll trend tomorrow or not.
I have no clue. Market will do what it wants to do.
Oh yes. But I am fixing to turn mine off for today.
Okay, you did good.
I got a loan I got to get out this morning. So the lender's already called me I know when I'll be finished with it.
Okay.
So
You got things to do.
yeah, unfortunately, I wish I was retired. 'Cause I'd like to do this all day long.
Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Well, I'm there, but it's not as fun as you might think. Because you're just sitting around doing this, and I don't see no money from it. All I see is money going out the window. But
Well, to stop that, all you gotta do is go over to the right side of your screen, go down to that accounts tab, drop that down and select Apex 38739.
yeah, all right. All right, what? And take
And
a.
and you would be 2/3 of the way of having a new
Should I take a buy?
2/3
You telling me to take a buy, Richard?
No.
Oh, he told me to take a buy.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Holy shit, he did do it. Oh, they showed up on my chart.
Stop filled.
Yeah, there we go. $390 out of my Apex account. Why'd you tell me to do that, Richard? I didn't even listen to my indicator at all.
I mean, did you lose money?
Yeah. 390. That's all right. I'll get that back.
Oh.
I thought there was a little relief up to point of control, but
I would have thought there was too.
there was not. It still could come, but
Yeah.
that's not actually what my my setup tells me right now. It's an A setup for a bear, and all the stuff in 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30, everything's bear. So theoretically, if I wasn't being goofy and funny, I probably should have just shorted that.
And then you would be $390 up.
Correct. Like, I think I should short this right now. I think it's gonna try, but let's see.
I don't know. I don't have my charts up, so I don't see if I have this one still up. Man, it's in a deep pullback. It's back to the 32 EMA.
This was the relief long that I was looking for. I just got in too early. Probably gonna try to hit the VWAP. The 1 minute went neutral. It's downgraded to a B plus short. Interesting. Just trying to make up her mind right now. And if it does find relief, it's got to find it over 670 and 700. 670. It's trying to hold on to 670 as we speak, and 700 is just at the top of the body of the other candle. So she needs acceleration right now, green, to start for the relief, or else it's going to go to the downside. Based on these two, I know we're 677 behind, but based on those two bubbles to the left, they might stuff them.
Yeah, I see this.
Yeah.
I have no idea which way it's gonna go.
Here we go. Got a little green action, lower rejection for now. This candle has to almost close within the wick of the previous candle. This second candle, where my mouse is. It's such a contentious little point. The bulls are struggling, but if they rip it,
and if they do go back to the New York VWAP, that would be a nice little trade.
yeah. Well, I'm not in it. I'm trying to figure out a good confirmation. Seems like they're absorbing. Here it is.
And the 9 just crossed the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart.
Okay. All right. Now you're above both of these bubble people. Can you close above it? No. So far it's a no. Jeez. Very contentious.
It's toying with crossing it.
Yeah.
But it is also above the 32 EMA, between the 32 and the 50.
Alright, if it can close here, then I think I'll go for the long. No, not if it closes there. You went down too much. Close at 705, 706. No. Man, they're doing a good job stuffing these bulls. And IB's almost formed. You know, the last time I took a 1030 IB, it screws me. I usually say it's going to go one way and it goes the exact opposite. I remember that being like, damn, it's 10:30, it's going to close soon. struggling. They're either just going to accelerate right up or get slammed soon. There's too much toying around.
And see, here's my problem. Most of the time when I'm trading, I see that and I'm like, okay, let's see what happens, and
Yeah.
I'm in.
Yep.
And it goes the other way.
Exactly. Yeah, that's what happened to me. I don't know. I don't like it. It's kind of like if they were gonna do it, they should have done it already.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like a trade in this area right now. The EMAs are going flat.
Yeah.
They've crossed, but they're not,
Yeah.
I think,
If they can hold this and close here, we're gonna accelerate, I think. But they're having trouble for sure. Come on, close and give me an. Alright, I'm in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
No, that's not good.
it didn't move enough to hit a stop.
It was so. My chart was so. There it is. Fuck you.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Come on. Jesus.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
I'm down. See what I mean? $1,300 now. I'm down on my eval. But when I. Here we go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, Jesus. Come on. I'm gonna blow my eval here, Richard.
Oh, you can't do that.
Yeah, I
That's your
can.
data.
It's alright. I'll spend another $25. The 1 minute. Oh my God. Are you gonna go up to VWAP and kill me? Come on.
Oh, I believe it's going to VWAP. It may take it a while.
Yeah, I just shorted it though.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I want the.
Well,
Only the 1 minute is a bull.
so let's go to the IB.
That's what I'm talking about. Or at least the bottom of this candle. Let's go. Come on. Slam this thing. 5 minute strong bear. 15 minute strong bear. 30 minute strong bear. 60 minute strong bear. Oy. Come on. Get me out of this. Arrgh. I don't even know. I don't have my trade of 8 up.
Do you not have other charts up other than this one?
I have about $800 worth of drawdown at this point. I'm watching it on Trade of 8. See?
I couldn't see trade of 8.
I just pulled it on. Take a second. Oy.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Come on, slam this thing. Slammy, slammy.
indecision candle to the left, so maybe it'll quit going up now.
Yeah, slam it. It's a B plus radar short, and everything says short except for the 1 minute. Come on, 1 minute. Go in our favor.
Damn. He's spinning pop candles in a row. But that's good for a short.
Yeah.
Because generally when you get those, it goes in the opposite direction of the way it's trending at the moment.
What, all those wicks?
Yeah, those two candles to the left of the red one,
Right.
or the current one, are both spinning top candles. But they're just wicks with a line through them.
Right.
That generally indicates a reversal candle.
Let's go. We want low, lower, lower.
Come on, drop.
There we go. It went neutral. That's a good thing. 1 minute went neutral. Love to see some red and pink candles now. Wrong way. Wrong way. No. 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 I don't like it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's it. Is what it
Did
is.
it be what?
It did. It said no.
You have to pull your VWAP over.
What?
Your VWAP, you'll have to pull it over throughout the day.
Really?
Yeah, it only goes to where you set it to go to. See how yours ended on your chart, like 5 candles back.
Yeah.
That's where, whenever you originally put it on, you pulled it over to. So you'll have to click on it, and then
Okay. I didn't listen to my my charting, my indicator. I didn't listen to anything. I actually was saying those bubbles, if we get above those bubbles, we have some long relief. And I went the opposite way. I'm a jerk. Whatever. Now I gotta get another Apex account. I probably should have stopped it where there was like $50 worth of drawdown, just to have the data. But I did not. This time, but before you got on, and then when you got on, so there was a lot of good narrations and stuff. So maybe I would like to keep it on. So maybe I can go. I can go in and edit and like blur out maybe the number or something.
yeah, I definitely do that.
Oh look, Apex account. I'm at $0. Yay.
I wish there was a way you could go in there and not show the losing one. Once I blow one up, I don't want to see it no more.
What, that one? The account?
Yeah, the one that's blown up.
Yeah, use the window pane to hide shit.
Yeah, I want to hide it from me. Like, I don't want to see that shit no more. What's that?
Yeah.
I'm looking at.
I get it. I
I'm
don't
trying
like
to keep-
I don't like seeing it at all. I'm like, damn it, puts me in a bad mood.
Yeah. I'm still trading. I want to keep a positive mental attitude.
Yeah.
So, that's it.
Oh, where's my Oh, there it is. My chat. It's over here. Well, there's no one else in the stream except for me and you, so.
And I can type and I can, I'm thinking I can talk and work, but I couldn't type and, can't get anything. I couldn't work on what I'm working on and, type in the stream anymore.
Yeah.
I'm typing at my desk. But I'm feeling a little better about my trading anyway.
That's a good thing.
But I wasn't going to buy another eval. I was going to continue to trade my personal account. I'm going for $100 a day. That's it.
Okay.
And but then I forgot to cancel that evaluation. I was going to go in and cancel it. And, and then I looked out and I was like, well, shit, it reneged.
Ah. Gotcha. Touching VWAP.
If you're wanting to go back to calling things out on your stream, I can let you go.
I'm just chilling out. You know what? I'll probably end the stream at 11 o'clock. My wife has a client. So I'll end the stream at 11 o'clock, put my headphones on, and I'll try to edit out the credit card information. And maybe I'll goof around with my Apex. Try to pass it in one go.
Hey, when I was signing on, how did you make your? So I mean, you popped right up at my screen to click on. How did you make your? I don't know what they call that.
Thumbnail?
Yeah, to advertise the stream.
I went through AI and came up with that. Downloaded the thumbnail, and then when I set the broadcast with YouTube, it'll ask you, do you want to use a specific thumbnail? So I said yes, and now that's all I use. So if you go into my YouTube channel and look at any of those trading ones now, they all have that.
Well, that looked good.
Yeah, I figured instead of just, I need to have something that looks a little bit more like, oh, this guy looks like a trader.
Well, that did the job. It looked good.
Thank you. Whoa. Man, I had the right idea for relief and got in way too early. And then I was like, no, I'm gonna go the other way. That's like typically what happens when I trade live, like real stuff, Wompity womp.
Well, Tomorrow, just come in and pretend like we're gonna have to just pretend like
Yeah.
that.
Oh, some buyers getting caught. 100 contracts getting caught at the top. No?
Oh yeah.
It's 80 sellers to 20 buyers. It's a mix. You see the bubble?
Yep.
It's a mix. Still says the B plus setup for shorts, but the 1 minute time frame is saying long, which is weird because the 5, 15, 30, and 60 are way strong bear. So this definitely feels like relief, and then boom to the downside. Where will it reject though? At this shelf here? Up at the 875?
I don't know. It kind of went right on through that, didn't it?
It did, but if it's going to reject, well, now the radar says C plus, so it's being downgraded. The 5 minute went neutral, so this could give it all back. You never know. You never know. It blasts through London low and Asia low. Yeah, that could be it. I just said that it could catch a rejection at this shelf right here. Takes seconds, but the shelf up here on the first like 10 minutes could reject this shelf here. 2900, 27900. That's always been a big contentious area.
It has been. Run through the Asian and London low. So go back to up within Globex. Back with the value area.
Yeah, over value area high. If it pulls back to value area high and holds, but she may not want to do that right now. And you're above that little bubble candle, so those sellers got trapped. Only 79. Here's a pullback. Tapping, checking London low. It's gonna break 27,900. It's gonna do it fast. I think, at least. fast.
Where do you think it's headed to?
I think she's just going to get a lot of resistance here into the 900 until it breaks it and then accelerates. If it's truly going to be a give back. I mean, I don't, but the way I see it is 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute is all in alignment for downside. So you'll grab the resistance and come back down to about here, 750s. Those are the two things I say. You're at that point where it's going to either go up, pull back, go up, or go down, pull back, go fully down. Like, this is the contentious rotation. This is the sit on your hands and wait, let it pick a direction.
Yeah.
Like, I would probably put a box like that, you'll see it in a second, and wait for it to confirm out of it. Could even come down to the include London low and Asia low, honestly.
Do you remember your do you have any other streams up on your under the monitor?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually just putting my head down by the phone, listening to you.
No, I was saying, do you have any other streams that?
Yeah. They're all like tests and bullshit. Yesterday's when me and you were talking, I have that up. I had, nothing like.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, nothing official and educational and professional. It's all bullshit right now.
Oh, I meant, do you have like FZT up or
No.
any other streamers up?
No, because on the PC I'm using the stream, if I have them in the background, you'll hear them. So I have to actually probably, if I want to do that, either put it on a different PC and get some earbuds,
Or listen, I use an iPad on mine. I'm streaming you. I don't stream on my computer. I stream with an iPad or my phone.
Gotcha. Yeah, I could do that. It's just the beginning stages. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. It'd be nice if I had like 2 or 3 or 4 people that actually were interested on the stream, chit chat with, and they become regulars, and then it grows, and blah and blah and blah. That's the ideal situation. But so far it's just me and you. My son came in real quick just to say hello. Susan chimes in from the background of yours. But other than that, no. Do you know Zero Day Jay?
I do know him.
So he used to live in Long Island with me. He's the same stomping ground, same pizza place, same everything. So I went into his stream yesterday, and my name is changed to Long Island Trader. So when I popped in, he's like, "Hey, Long Island Trader, I used to be Long Island," and we were chit-chatting back and forth. I'm like, "Yeah, Little Vincent's Pizza, yeah, I live over here, just west of the lake, blah, blah, blah." And I asked him, I said, do you mind if I plug my stream? And he's like, well, you already did. Just because I asked him.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, sorry about that. But he wasn't a jerk about it. So I said, oh, I'm sorry about that. You know, he only had 130 people watching, but I was hoping maybe out of that 130, someone would be like, Long Island Trader, Jay mentioned him. Let me look him up, you know? But I told Zero Day Jay, I'm like, I put in his chat, I'm like, everybody use 0 Day J for your Apex codes. I don't have any. I'm not looking for anything like that. You know, support Jay, blah blah blah. I'll put it in Alex's stream. He'll ban me for life.
You'll be banned for life. I don't even think he likes people mentioning other streamers.
Yeah, I know. I wouldn't do that.
Oh, I don't care if you do.
All right.
I told you he got on my bad side.
Yes, I remember.
Well, I don't get it. You should give back to your loyal people.
You would think.
Yeah. So all of his giveaways are about attracting new customers. None of them are about loyalty.
Mm-hmm. It's
If
true.
you're going to do loyalty, you give it away in your Discord, just to your Discord people.
Yep. Who knows? Maybe Apex and all these companies want him to do it just on brand new subscribers. You know, maybe they talk to him about it and be like, "This is what we want. We'll give you a couple more per month. We'll do this, but we got to see you putting it into the YouTube stream with your new people and stuff." You know, you just don't know. But it is what it is.
He needs to do better than that. That's my opinion.
No, I agree. I agree. What's this blue line? Oh, blue line is still Asia low. Are you going to reject Asia low? London low? Or blast through it? What are you going to do?
We gotta wrap it up.
All right. Richard, I got to sign off and put my headphones on. My wife's got to do her client.
Okay. Talk
All
to
right.
you later. I gotta work on this spread anyway.
Sounds good. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you later. Bye.